How to activate Scotiabank Credit Card. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in Scotiabank Credit Card activation and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option. Activate your credit card, scotiabank.com. Open it. With that, you'll be directed to this page. Are you a Scotiabank customer with access to online banking? If yes, click on the option of yes. Then you'll get this kind of pop-up. Shine in, click on it, then provide your Scotia online banking credentials and log into your account. After you log in, you can easily activate the card using online banking. In the case you don't have an account, click on no, then click on continue. Now please enter your Scotiabank credit card or Scotialine access card number. Type in the card number, and once you are done, click on continue and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Once you complete the process, your card will be activated. If you have a Scotiabank MasterCard, please call 1-866-583-6289 to activate it. So that's a wrap for this video. This way you can easily activate your Scotiabank credit card online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.